So welcome to the Social Post Magic software. I'm very excited to bring this to you. Now, as I mentioned, there are tutorials within the program itself. So this is just going to be the overview. And remember, this exists for one reason: to be able to combine all of your social media into one dashboard, to be able to craft and create posts easily, and to be able to manage that whole process and schedule posts and make it really easy. In essence, to make social media finally be able to work for you and not have you work for it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do when you connect to Social Post Magic is you're going to want to jump in and connect all your social media accounts. Now, super easy to do. You can see here within Facebook, I've got different groups, I've got different pages, I've got my own timeline, etc. And of course, I can just simply add a new account. And right here is where I will choose which pages, which groups, etc. that I want to be able to connect right into our Social Post Magic. So you connect your accounts. And you'll do that for all of the different social media. So we've got Twitter, we've got YouTube, we've got LinkedIn, we've got Tumblr, we've got Reddit, we've got Vimeo, all the others. We've got a few coming as well, your own WordPress blog, so you can connect your own blogs as well. And this is then once you've got your accounts connected, the next thing you may want to be able to do is group them together. So maybe, for example, you've got one group of accounts that you want to talk about online marketing and another group of accounts that you have that is just your fishing group, and you want to be able to connect that. So this is my fishing group, and then you can go through and just select which ones are going to be part of the fishing group. So that gives you the opportunity to then have different groups. You can post different information. Now we get to be able to post to our social media accounts. Now, of course, you can compose your own posts, and you have this ability to link your Google Drive, your Dropbox, your own file system, and you can upload directly from these areas. So we've got, for example, a library of images that you can bring into your posts. We say, which groups do we want to connect to? So we can say, listen, I just only want to connect to these ones. So now we're posting to these groups. We've got this image. We can bring in captions. Now, you can type your own. This is my new social post. Or we've got the ability to bring in a library, again, of quotes and captions so that you can have effortless posting to all of your social media. So we've got images, we've got information there. Of course, we can add videos if we want to do that as well. And now we can schedule, so we can post immediately. Or we can schedule this post to be a recurring post every 60 days or every 30 days and ending on a particular date. So we can actually repost this same image or this same quote onto our social media days and days and months in advance. So this allows us to effortlessly create content, have that content post to multiple accounts, and have it on a schedule. And of course, you can schedule in the future. You can schedule to be recurring. Absolutely awesome, straight from within the Social Post Magic dashboard. Now, you can also do things like bulk scheduling. So we can add from a calendar view. We can simply come up here and post directly from that calendar view. We can then see reports based on which social media site, based on what sort of visibility we want to have, and we can do it all from within the Social Post Media platform. Now, that's the quick overview. There are tutorials within the system, but this is the basics. We want to be able to create, we want to be able to post, we want to be able to schedule across every social media platform, and we want to be able to do it from one dashboard, and that is why we've created Social Post Magic.